Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the digital card of Wise. So let's get started. First of all, make sure to log in into Wise with your right credentials. Then once you do that, go ahead in the left menu and select on cards. After that, scroll down and then select order a debit card. After that, you'll be prompted to choose either digital or physical. So go ahead and choose digital. Select right away order your digital card. Now you'll be redirected to this page for verification steps. So you'll need to take photos of your ID document and your face. Make sure to select scan a QR code or send a link by email as you prefer. If you don't have any phone, just select this option and follow up with the steps. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to how would you like to pay, so make sure to choose bank transfer if you already have a balance, debit card or credit card, or even a Swift transfer. Select a debit card, for example, and then select continue to payment. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the card information. So make sure to enter the card information right here and then select pay this amount. Now, once you do that, you'll be find your debit card ready right here and you can use it right away. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.